Hi guys. So, this is what I'm going to attempt today. Making this butter bun. I'm gonna watch that video and I'm going to review the recipe and tell you how easy it is and how it actually tastes. So, recipe calls for 100 grams of milk. Then it says add 20 grams of sugar. 20 grams. And then 3 grams of yeast. 3 grams. And then the instruction says to make sure it mixes well. Then we're gonna add 2 grams of salt. 2 grams. Okay, 2 grams. Right, and then we stir it again. Right. And the recipe says to add 150 grams of bread flour. I don't have bread flour, so I will try normal flour. Okay, now I can get rid of the scale and mix it until a lump forms. A lump. Nice doughy lump. Okay, we've got a nice doughy lump now. I'm just gonna cover it and we'll let it sit for 20 minutes. Right, I think it's been more than 20 minutes. And I'm supposed to knead the dough for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Sticky. Very sticky. Okay, so it was a little bit wet and I had to add just a couple of sprinkles of flour so that it's not so sticky to knead. So done about 5 minutes. I think it's now ready to be left alone to raise for the next 1 hour. So add 25 grams of room temperature butter. Perfect. 10 grams of sugar. 10 grams of flour. Will do. And a pinch of salt. Pinch. Okay. And you mix it. well. So the dough's been resting for more than an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and it's about twice the size now. So in the video, he or she pushed it like that, and it's like, woo, it's ready. I think this is ready too. So let me just dust this off. Go. You divide this into 6 pieces. Okay, thirds. Alright, braid. This way, this way. And then now we will wait and proof the dough some more. So it's been just over an hour. And let's see how they look. Did grow a little bit in size. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 170 degrees for now. Glaze the bun with some milk. It's a bit too much. The video says bake for 20 minutes. So 20 and then we'll wait. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, one final step. Is it? You want it to look nice and glossy? Put some more milk. Glaze with more milk. So let's see if that actually works. Everything's working so far, so this should work too. Oh my goodness, smells so good. Right, let's try it. Can you give me half, please? I like it. That means the recipe worked. Highly recommended. Thank you for watching.